guys, Schumacher here. I know I talk a lot on my vlogs and my blog about how I'm always busy for the Taylor County Fair during this time of the summer. Now, the fair just ended yesterday, and I have some of my projects with me here and some I shot at the fairgrounds yesterday to show you. So these are my bread and butter projects, as I like to call them. I brought 11 folder projects, so these are in various departments. We'll start out with Best of the Best, the Award of Merits. This one was entered in forestry, and I need to thank Wyatt and Jacob for this. This is our digital plant scavenger hunt that we did in our honors biology class. Got an Award of Merit, slightly edited, and turned out well. Here's my 5th year recipe book, which I'll cover a little bit more later. This one also got a blue and an Award of Merit. Exceptionally neat and nice recipes. If you want some of these recipes, tell me, and I'll be putting some of the links to the documents in the description. Third, this is my 3rd Award of Merit. This was actually entered under computers as own internet page. This is Douglas Blog's quick description of the blog, and then my design, which I'm still working on to make it better, even better. Here we have one with, this was under youth leadership, I think, my resume. It's always nice to update that every year. This one was entered, I believe, under communications. This is an RFID paper I wrote in English. Got a blue on that. This one was entered under videography. Live now, broadcasting video on the internet. If you watched last week's Douglas broadcasts, you would have seen that I was taking lots of screenshots and pictures of myself to put together this project. Now we got a blue. Here we go. I'm a lawyer. Speech outlines from my AP US government class. So I was a lawyer in 3 different Supreme Court cases, and I wrote an explanation and then printed out my outlines that I used for those speeches. This one, keeping track of my IFBLA points 2013-2014 spreadsheet. As I'm a reporter, I already had to create the spreadsheet, so I wrote a quick explanation, and for this year, just printed it out. I got a blue. This one, graphical user interfaces. This was entered under computers, internet-aided research paper. Once again, written in my English class. Little explanation, and then here's my paper. This was entered under communications, I think. Learn how low it presentation Wisconsin DECA. Need to thank Ty for this when we were at Wisconsin DECA State. We put together a business services and business operations research presentation for the judge, and threw it together at the last second, and so I wrote an explanation, printed out, and I got a blue. And finally, for the folder projects, this one, tracking a ride, using technology to gather biking data. Obviously this was under the biking category, outdoor sports. So using the sports tracker app to track your bike rides, just kind of a tutorial. And that one also had a blue. So that's it for this year's folder projects. Let's go over to the fairgrounds and see how I did on my other stuff. Here's some plants I brought to the 2014 Taylor County Fair. Didn't do so well on these. It's supposed to be tomatoes. They were green, but they ended up to be purple. First place on the, what do you call that?
Failure corn.
Second on the garden box. Don't quite agree with that one. First on the dill.
I just figured you want to do your fair.
Second on the grapes. Third on the potatoes, which is to be expected. First on the onions. 4th on the beets, and that's because I forgot to put 4 in there. I only had 3, so they marked me down. 1st on the currants, 2nd on the gooseberries, 2nd on the peas, 2 firsts in purple and green beans, and a 1st for these flowers that I have no idea what they are. So that's what I brought for plants this year. So here's what I entered in the foods department. I got a 1st on these canned beans, 2nd on this jelly because there are some small bubbles in it from transport. A 2nd on my cream puffs, very infuriating because it says right on here what I got a blue, but I forgot to attach.
I got in a word of merit on my cookies.
But I forgot to attach the recipe, because that recipe though is right in here in my 5th year of doing my recipe book. Got an award of merit on it, and right there, Grandma's Cream Puffs recipe. If you want the recipe, I'll link it below. Thanks for watching this overview of the projects I did for the 2014 Taylor County Fair, and why I'm so busy, so I'm trying to hop back on the schedule. So I'll see you on Wednesday at 8 p.m. Central Time with the 8th episode of Douglas Broadcasts, and then another vlog on Friday. Thanks for watching.